Yes, my people. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. I'm not here to speak any grammar, and I'm not here to grammar not the help for Nigeria. You go school, you not go school, not the I know that by now people might have been sleeping. I just decided to do this video. I did not come to Facebook to come and show myself. I'm not the type coming to Facebook for the whole world to see, no. But the reason why I'm doing it concern Omoyele Sowore, I cry in my heart. I cry in my heart. That is why I decided to do this video. If you don't, I know by now you will be asleep, but try to share this video for others to watch. Maybe tomorrow you will watch this video. I'm just here to let Nigeria know certain things that they are missing in life. My Nigeria people, we need to do something about Nigeria. We need to do something about Nigeria. Because Nigeria is our country. It's our home. We have any other country. The Nigeria judiciary, now I can't talk to. Now I can't talk to because now send Nigeria to Buhari. Now send Nigeria to Buhari. Because Buhari no win election. Una give up, say na win the election. Buhari no win election, na give up say na win the election. Buhari no get even primary school certificate. He no get. Then na say na Buhari, e no matter, e no me. Change am, change automatically. Say e no me. Certificate Buhari no see provide. Buhari first certificate. Nothing. Nigeria judiciary, nothing I do about it. Still yet, I still give the Buhari the opportunity, give him the power to overcome Nigeria. Now, it's turn by turn. Don't reach una turn now. I never cry. Because una don't fool yourself to the whole world now, Nigeria judiciary. Una don't fool yourself to the whole world. There is no more judiciary in Nigeria, and no more justice in Nigeria, no more judge in Nigeria. Now don't fade. Now don't fade. Now don't fall in a hand because of bribe and corruption. When the PC people don't give una, don't fall in a hand. Buhari don't tell una say yes now. Na him be Buhari. Una never see any. Now mess up the whole, now don't mess up yourself. The whole world now not get regard to now even Nigeria judiciary. The whole world not of una. Because now don't fuck up. Because of waiting. Because of bribe. APC buy una, give una money. It don't reach una turn. There's nothing I can do. Even though Buhari carry DSS to kill all of una there, now I not get level. I don't finish. Not be even only politician. Una, if we see una left for Europe, Nigeria, now we will take start because you people are the cause. You people are the generation of the problem we have in Nigeria. Una leg for Europe, yeah, Nigeria judiciary, you justice. And I will regret the day when I'm born because now I send Nigeria to Buhari. Buhari no win election. Now give her power. Now say na him win election na give am Buhari. Which if una know 100% no Buhari no win na give am. Buhari no get certificate, even primary school certificate. Buhari no get am. Una say no mean any. Una change everything automatically. Now come dey expect Buhari to respect una say na don't judge say me na release you word. Buhari go adopt una. How it want to happen? It can never be possible. It can never be possible because you people are the cause. You people are the cause. Now, I want to say something to Nigeria youth because I know they have already removed some of, not all Not all. Some of Nigeria youth, they remove their brain. They don't even have brain anymore. Because when it happened, they say, Showore do this, do that. Showore Buhari to remove article. That is why they blast. They so many kind of different things. Even though they are looking for money, they are even blasting Showore do this one. He chop money. He get this one. He did this one. He did this one. That is why some of Nigeria, they look at Showore as a bad person. Showore is the messiah of Nigeria. You take it or you leave it. You take it or you leave it. Now, I'm very, very upset for what I'm seeing. Because Nigeria is for everybody. It's not for Buhari and APC. Hello. I decided to do this video because I'm not the type coming out on Facebook to let the whole world to see or whatsoever. But I decided to do this one. Nigeria problem. Our judiciary. You people are the Nigeria problem. You people are the Nigeria problem because you now send Nigeria give una money, he bribe una, he give una election when Buhari no win, na say na him win na. Buhari no get certificate, na give am, say no, he no mean again. How do you people expect Buhari to expect una? It can never be. There is nothing you people will do that Buhari can even expect. Buhari can never respect you people. It's not possible. It's not possible. I'm not here to talk too much, or neither to say about myself, but what I'm here to say, I just want to beg every one of us that live in diaspora. It's only us that will rescue Nigeria, not people in Nigeria, because I know some of them are trying. They are trying, especially, at least, I respect you, my brother. May God continue to bless you. May God continue to bless you. Deji, may God continue to bless you. You try a lot because it's not easy what you are facing. I want to beg every Nigerian in diaspora, the only person that will rescue Nigeria. Because we are the only person that will rescue Nigeria. Not because people living in Nigeria, they have already, some of the youth, they have already taken their brain out. They don't even have brain again. Because they are even using poverty to drink Gary. They will just shouting, Shey Baba, supporting APC, supporting Buhari. That is for you to know that something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong. Something is friction. It's not me we tell them their problem. Now, people in diaspora, I want to beg you all. The only way we can rescue Nigeria is to ban all these politicians coming. Is to ban them from Europe automatically. If you don't know how to do, if you don't know how to go about it, it's not. Even some of us are here, we don't have document. Crying. We don't have document. We're scared to say one or two things. My dear brothers and sisters, there is a document around you, but which you don't know. Document. It's there inside, under your pillowcase, you don't know. Don't be scared of anybody. Don't be scared of anything. Or maybe police if you don't have document. Don't be scared. I want to tell you another, I want to give you another expose now. Any country you are, whether you have document or not, just form a group and let maybe 1 or 2, 3 people have document. Form like 2 to 3 people. Just go to any nearby council where you live, the department, all area you live, go there. Tell them that this 5 group is association. The association of this 5 group will fight against injustice, we fight against corruption. You know, you register that association with them. My brother, believe me or not, document will show. Document will show 100%. This thing I'm telling you is what I experienced before in other part of the country in Africa. It happened everywhere. But it's only Nigeria people. They scared because I don't have document. I will not come out to fight for my right. My brother, stand fight for your right. It's only we that live in diaspora. It's only we people in that Nigeria. Not only people in that Nigeria. Because when they, even those ones that are even ready to help, they will close them. DSS will go there. They will even do anything to make sure they subdue them. Go there, register it, then the politician come now. Let them come to any country you are. Please, I'm begging you people, this is serious issue. Not just say, go there, form 3, 4, 5 people. It as a group, as a you know, as an association. Just go and register it, any country you are. This is not coming to social media to collect people money. Bring this one, we want to do this one, we want to do this one. They are just exploiting people, collecting people money. They say they are set of movement people, they are fighting corruption, those kind of things. No. They are just collecting people money. Just go just form 3 for 4 people. Just do it. Then, if any politician leg in Europe here, you break their leg. Nothing they happen. Nothing they happen. You fight for justice. You fight for justice. Nothing they happen. Another expose. I'm living here in France. If you want to be part, just signal me, let me know. We do it together. We do it together. We do it together. You live in Italy, any part of the world you live, stand up now. Let's fight this battle. Because the judiciary have already sold Nigeria to Buhari. So now, we living in diaspora, we are the only people that will rescue Nigeria. My dear, you people criticize the show, especially some of Yoruba people, not all. Some of Yoruba people, not all. What you people as a person, but when you talk, you see their comments. They are useless comments. They are commenting. Useless comment. You did show where they do this one. 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 How many people, when Obasanjo was in power, how many Hausa people, Fulani, Yoruba, Obasanjo J? No one. No one. Now, Obasanjo, Buhari get to power now. Anybody talk? Because now wicked than my Buhari. Me personally, if I see Buhari for Europe here, if I see Buhari, me personally, I'm not asking anybody to support me. Me personally, if I see Buhari, not by talk, I don't want to talk too much here. I don't want to talk too much here because some of you people now, before some now they'll be committing stupid, committing nonsense because they don't know their left and right. They don't know their left and right. Even see France yet. Yesterday, today, there was no transport, nothing. What are they fighting for? A country that's sweet like no any other thing for the world. Because what they want, the president, some certain thing that existed before the president cut it off, they don't want it. They want as if everything be before. Make it day like that. Now make them. Since they have started for over 1 year now, they have not recorded anyone dead. No even one person sent to prison. Then at the Nigeria, if you talk, they will say, come back to Nigeria. Abroad here, because they don't cover all of our eye. They don't cover all of our eye. If you are in France here, contact me. We do it together. Any bastard, say leave France here, say any bastard, say any politician come here, or we go anywhere, go Nigeria bastard, say one misbehave. Sorry we beat that person name for this France. Sorry we beat that person name. I say, una don't push us to the world now. Una don't push us. Now Buhari don't push us. Then Nigeria want to show their talent now. Nigeria want to show their talent now. You understand me? Nigeria want to show their talent. Nigeria want to show their talent because all this, enough is enough. Enough is enough of all this. There is nothing. If you even say judiciary in Nigeria, we are waiting for them, wasting time because they have sold their better to Buhari. Buhari no certificate, even primary school certificate, Buhari no get. Election Buhari no win. They say it don't mean anything. So, but now I don't reach that turn now. All of now, even the judiciary, all of now go so far. Anywhere. Let me quickly use this opportunity. If you are an Igbo man, you are not supporting Biafra, they should take you to psychiatric hospital for treatment. If you are an Igbo man, you are not supporting Biafra, you sick, you have problem, go to hospital house. You need treatment. You need treatment. Oh, if you need treatment, they should take you to psychiatric hospital because maybe your brain is. If an Igbo, I am an Edoma, 100% full a Biafra. I decide to follow Biafra. I am a full Biafra man. I am a full Biafra man because it's only Biafra that will rescue Nigeria. No any other. Aboki Fulani Esme. They don't already take over Nigeria. Not all. Some of Yoruba, they have already sold themselves to Aboki people. Not all. Some of Yoruba, they sold themselves to Aboki people. They even prefer Buhari more than Sowore, some of Yoruba. Even so, a Yoruba man told me that even the Fulani that even attacking people is a Yoruba people, not Fulani outside. It's a Yoruba man that told. It's a Yoruba man. Because that is for you to know how they have even sold themselves to Yoruba, to Hausa people. Not all Hausa, to Fulani people. Buhari, if I see you, me personally, Buhari, you have not seen anything. It's only there you can send your DSS to do whatever they want to do. It's only Nigeria there. It's only Nigeria there you will do it. Not here. Not here, Europe. It's not possible. My brothers and sisters in Europe, please. It's only you will rescue Nigeria. Whereby all these politicians will ban Europe. Anywhere we see them. Anywhere. If you like, join me. If you know that, I will personally do it. Because if I do it, people, they are too late. We turn to cripple. Because, see, let me just tell you something. If you don't know, try to know this. Prison here in Nigeria. Prison here. You are even 100% better than people work in certain back in Nigeria. Take it or not. You go to prison here, you learn so many things. You learn so many things in life. Don't be scared. They are not taking you to Nigeria because it's here any country you commit a crime, that is where you suffer for it. I'm ready to suffer for it. If I do it here in France, I'm ready to suffer for it. I'm ready to suffer for it. They are not taking me to anywhere. They are not taking me to any politician there, especially APC member. For if you are leaving France here, then it happens you want to come out. In fact, then the whole what we this one is one corner. Be like say milk na just they do now. There is time for everything. We don't get to that time now. We don't get to that time because Buhari don't turn to Nigeria for. He don't turn to Nigeria to which I don't even. There is no country in the world. There is no country in the world is happening in Nigeria. There is no country in the world that is happening. It's not possible. No country in the world. It's just only Nigeria. Buhari turned to Nigeria to his own property. He turned to Nigeria to his own daura. Even your community. For what? Buhari will not go school, will not get certificate. Even primary school certificate, Buhari not get. 200 million people. We have professor, even Osinbajo is dead. Small time at the Osinbajo. Small time, Buhari, he will be watching Aisha. Buhari wife, pint, and I go to wash her. You don't dead there. That is why you see so many people criticizing Nigeria pastors. So many people, because when you really sit down, look at this, that one is a pastor, of course, a pastor. You cannot even stand and say the truth. Let them kill you for the truth as a pastor. Even when Jonathan Goodluck was Adeboye, he criticized Jonathan. But since when the pastor now dead there, because they sit there, he not come and want to say anything. Pastor, and the most number one person to against people criticizing Nigeria pastor. But when I sit down, I say no. The way the religion in Nigeria is going, that is not the way God says it should be. Let me use this opportunity to also tell you people, Nigeria. What is going on in Nigeria? Why you see it's like people pray, crying, church everywhere. God is not hearing their prayer. God is not hearing their prayer. If you are in Nigeria, you go to night vigil, you are just shouting for no reason. It's because why? Wrong prayer. The wrong prayer. The some of pastor lead you people wrong. First in Europe here now, people will be calling Nigeria. They lie. They lie against people. Now which? They kill you. This one, they kill you. This one, your family. Now your stepmother, stepfather. This one, then they kill you. Which pray, which die. But the which you know they die. Which they where they know they die. Then leave prayer when they're supposed to pray. Wrong prayer. Now all of them wrong prayer. Majority of them wrong prayer. That's why you see say Nigeria. Or Nigeria church many part. For the whole world, Nigeria pastor many part. For the whole world, Nigeria pastor when they perform miracle pass. But how come for the whole world, Nigeria is the most deadly, the most number one poverty country, capital in the world, Nigeria. But now we get the highest pastors. They perform miracle pass. But the problem remains the same because it's wrong prayer they are praying. No Nigeria prayer, no Nigeria pastor will get up to say, today, make everybody gather. Now Nigeria, any bad government, when not make this country spring, when won't oppress people, when no one make this country be great, make they pray, make them they die one by one. Make them pray that prayer for that 1 month. Whether God no go answer Nigeria. No one. Instead, they go they carry everything, put for winch body. Now winch. Road not good. They not tired road not good. But to get accident now winch. Now winch cause am. They put am for winch head. Person go school. Who not go school? You go they work for where you go school graduate. You go where you supposed to they work. Who not go school? Go they there. Then go say na which Buhari not go school, not get certificate. You went go to school, even get 5 to 7 diploma. 5 to 7. Person when not go even get school certificate. Then na which course am. They go see tell you say na which course am. You learn work. You not fit go school. Your parents don't fit afford to train you. You manage go work. You learn the work finish. You manage open your shop. Today, you will work. The moment you work today, tomorrow you take and buy fuel. Then you will go meet pastor. They will tell you say now your stepmother, now your village people. Now them make person they go home. Boko Haram. Fulani expect the attacker. Police, they go come out. Keep person like, they don't kill this one for night already. They don't kill this one, they just carry and put for police hand. Make them kill him. They go put him for which head? How long Nigeria will wake up? How long? Pastors, they go they pray wrong prayer for Nigeria, wrong prayer. Prayer no one way not make sense. Some go even carry stick go the land ground. Nagra, make winch die, make it this one die, make it do that. They not go fear, not even fear because they give them some of them. They have already collected money. They cannot even say the right thing. They cannot even say the right thing. You cannot even say the right thing. Why I'm saying this because that president is a pastor. Osinbajo is a pastor. He's just there for camouflage. You cannot even stand as a pastor to say no, this is not done in any way. You just did there as camouflage. You just did there as camouflage. You say you be pastor. How people not go insult pastor? How people not go even talk about pastors? How? Some of them, not all, some of them. How? Wrong prayer. Some of pastor Nigeria, wrong prayer. Which, that. Some go even carry handkerchief for hand. It's a cannot have access, brother. Because the root of problem in Nigeria, if we not solve one, all this thing we are wasting time. Let you all pastor beginning to say any politician, any bad government, any bad president, when they rule Nigeria not supposed to rule, make it die. Everybody go to pray that prayer. Die. God will intervene. God run prayer and pray. Now don't even provoke God self. Now they even provoke God. Now they provoke God eh? Road no good. Person get accident. They go say na witch. Now your papa na it one. Now your stepmother na it one. You go school finish. All these politicians, some of their children, they don't even know one A, they don't know one for school. Where you supposed to work, they do go put them. You will carry fire up and down. They will say language. They don't even dare say your result. They go hang out for Iroko tree. Story. Because things is not done anyway. The white people, the witch when they get the white, they make their life okay. They use their witch to perform, to make things wonderful. You cannot even imagine. You cannot even believe that it's the system. They do it. All problem when they Nigeria now. Nigeria pastor, they don't put them for witch head. They leave politicians. They leave Buhari, President Buhari. They leave politicians when they destroy Nigeria. You know the talk go that side at all. I'm not here to preach. What I'm here for is to beg every one of us that live in diaspora to stand up and fight this battle. Not people in Nigeria. Because those that they have the mind to do it. Buhari, DSS will go there. Even expect, let me warn the Nigeria police. Una be mumu. How much did they pay now? How much? 40,000 naira. 40,000, 50,000 naira. 60,000 naira. 120 euro. Come to Western world. Police, government take care of their children, their family. They sponsor them to anywhere they want to go. Buhari go just send you now. Like that carry gun. They make the fight. It belongs to every one of us. Una self, una not belly food, una not your belly food. Because of corruption, una don't they enter street, they go. Because of corruption. Some of una Christian are they God even call una to do his work because of corruption. Una not feed because of 30,000, 40,000 when they give una. You know rich una take feed una family. We have to do something else to make sure una feed una. You will send Luna. They carry gun up and down. They shout up and down. Can't you use your brain? Come and even see France police here. That come to France and see France police. They protect their senses. Even sometimes, even the police, they will drop that gun. They will even join the people to protest. Say, no, this is what we want in the country. Nigeria police cannot do that one. Carry gun, come on. In fact, you people are disgrace to the whole world. Nigeria police. You Nigeria police are disgrace to the whole world. You cannot even stand up for your right. Show already is even fighting even every other Nigeria. The Nigeria police. Nigeria police. Now the problem. Now the problem. They go say on a zombie. Now one way. Anywhere the son go, now just carry gun. Now they go, they shoot gun up, they shoot gun for up and down. Can't you people sit down this thing? Nigeria police. Say, is it this? Are you people enjoying for that country? Are you people enjoying? Can't you sit down and reason? If they don't use you now and say no, this thing is not done, I think changing will be in Nigeria. Anywhere they say on go. Even person when they even say some of them graduate that year, graduate first class. They are among of all of Nigeria. Then person will not go primary school because na Buhari brother or na Fulani esme. Buhari will appoint them to be your head. Then go send you. You carry gun. They carry gun. They do stupid thing at hand. Use your brain. Use your brain. I say no, we are not going anywhere. This country must be a country for every one of us. Comment nonsense thing for this thing. Except you don't leave Nigeria where me and you know. If you live in France here, you commit stupid thing here. I'm not going to even see you. Maybe I will just go to your name. I know the whole world will see me. The whole world will. I'm very angry. Nigeria is not a country to claim you came from. I won't deny Nigeria self. I am a brave farmer. 100% a brave farmer. I'm a brave. If you are not supporting Brafa, you are. I don't know what I will call you. If you are not supporting a Brafa, nowhere to run to. Nowhere to run to. Nobody to rescue us now for Nigeria again. Nobody. If problem now, I will say, okay, let's run to pastor. Let's pray for this country to do okay. If you run to pastor said they are the politicians. Some of them, they are the politicians. Some, not all. Some of even traditional ruler. They are the politicians, they give them money. Who will want to go? Even judge himself. Nigeria, the judiciary. Is it those people you want to go? Buhari when not win election, they give her power. Say, I win. They not get even primary school certificate. They say you not mean again. We to run to now. Who do we run to in Nigeria? No. Is it police people? When they just carry them, give their hand, they just go. They shoot, they go. They do rubbish, they go. They don't even consider saying no. Nobody to run to. I'm not doing it to praise anybody. If you commit stupid thing here, yeah, except you don't dey far country when me and you know France here you dey. My brother, you go dey mortuary, then I go dey prison. Life and direct, because enough is enough. I'm very hungry. That country, we need to take that country back from those people hand. We need to take that country back from those people hand. We need to take that public hand. Because all these church everywhere. It not go help anything. Because most of them, not all, some of them, they don't even stand for the truth again. Even as a pastor, you go stand. If they want to kill you, let them kill you, but you will say the truth for once and for us. Let the whole world say they kill you for the truth. Then everybody will honor you. Said yes. They see the truth. Which? Now when you did this one, now when you did this one, now when you did this one, your papa, your mama, they are all dead their body. Tomorrow they come bring money. Then the judge they use that one to they collect people money. Don't they exploit people, collect people money. And they even vex for the Daddy Freeze before when he say me they not they pay tithes to any pastor. And I can't even say is it pastor the problem? Why not use the politician? Why all these politicians? No. Because as it's only prayer. Anything that are even going wrong now we say we at least God help us do this thing. We get hope on that. That is why we run to pastor. Pastor, at least this is our problem. Even what you cannot even discuss with your mother and your father and even your wife, you can discuss with your pastor. And the pastor now they are falling in our hand. Pastor did as a vice president. If any pastor would dey angry of me or send stupid thing come here, go meet Osinbajo. Then you go and meet Osinbajo. Vice president, go meet him. Is he a pastor or is he a fake pastor? He's a fake pastor. It's not a pastor. It's not a fake pastor. Even the Adeboye himself. The criticize. Now you don't come out again say the truth for one day. It be like say you know the even. It be like say, in fact, I don't like to insult pastor, but the way you people are taking it to be, I'm angry because why? Because of Osinbajo is there as a pastor. Buhari is a Muslim man. I'm not here for religion. No. There is a good Muslim people. Even fly, they can't even keep fry. They humble themselves. In fact, they don't even like to even anything hot person for one day. Many, a lot. I'm not here for religion. There's a bad Muslim, there's a bad Christian. Even now, there's a Christian even worse than Muslim. Take it or you leave it. Take it or you leave it. Take it or you leave it. My brothers and sisters in diaspora, I'm just here because of you people. Please, I'm begging you people, let us rescue Nigeria from these people. It's only we. Whereby any country you see politician, especially APC members, you see there any country, my dear, turn them to cripple. You not get the peace. Something must happen to make you to be a hero. I will do it, not by might. I will do it here in France. I will do it. I will do it. If you want to join me, you are 100% free. Then let's do it together. It's okay. If you don't have paper, your document will come. I know what I'm saying. Just come out to social media and make money. I know what I'm saying. Your document will show. Don't be scared of anything. You don't have document. If you join, if you do nobody is doing anything. Nothing. When you follow the right process. Let me tell you, any country you are, gather as a movement. Go and register it. Then you will understand what I'm telling you. I know what I'm saying. Because it's we Nigeria. We know. We don't know. Some of us, we don't know anything. Look at other countries. Some of Africa countries, even part of the world. I know what I'm saying. We in Nigeria, we don't have it because we don't know our left and right. We let this old cargo. Buhari, waiting. Mona, tell me waiting the Buhari head now when you want to do for that Nigeria again. It's a disgrace of everywhere. No country when Buhari will go and say, as a president, as a president to represent a country to speak. I don't even want. See, I've never even heard one day, one word for Buhari. Anything when Buhari they talk, me I not hear one inside. You disgrace Nigeria up and down. That kind of person, you come say now you're a president. You can't cut. Election when not win a good certificate not good and nothing. Now Nigeria judiciary now won't cry. Now never see anything. Now go even now collect pass the now Nigeria judiciary especially now will collect pass even the politician now will collect pass because now send Nigeria to Buhari now go collect pass if una never know now go collect pass except me. If you don't do something you dey prison you know the feel bad anything no one no two. They just hold you for prison and you they regret. Waiting you do if you dey suffer approach, you know they regret anything. Like I said before, if you not even get opportunity, say if you not get any hard work, you not get anything to go. If you go prison here, come on, get so many hard work. If we even dey work for inside prison safe, you would even work. If you come and they go still give you money when you don't work. You will even better pass people when they work for carry fire. They work, say they be this one, they be manager, they be this one for Nigeria. Except only the politician, because in Nigeria money all those one they collect. Money when you have come to go take better, now they collect. Share this video. I'm not telling you to share it for YouTube, for me or whatsoever. I'm not here. I'm not kind of those people come to social media, make man to insult their fellow brother, insult their fellow sister, because those ones they are jobless. They don't have job. Because if they have job, they will know the right thing to say. To come out to social media to say, they will know the right fight to fight. Some will say, Showore na waiting in fine, I see. He joined Buhari to remove Goodluck. No. Goodluck did there. Things are not working fine. Goodluck is the best president ever in Nigeria. But people working under Goodluck, they make Goodluck people to look as if Goodluck is a bad person, is a bad man. They loot money. That is why the man has Showore now stand up and speak. He stood up and said, no, this is not the way it's supposed to be. Okay, Buhari came in. Everybody think Buhari we do, at least we do the best. Buhari came now. The same problem. Even Buhari is 1,000,000% worse than Obasanjo, Jonathan. Then the same poor man I stood up, so no, this is not what you want. You people are still against this man. My dear, Nigeria, please now, I'm gonna try to wake up Nigeria youth. I'm gonna try to wake up. This man now this man they fight for. Now go to change this story. This man not the America. America is the step of the world. Take it or you leave it. This man they there, they suffer, they live. Don't they there, they live in life with family, they go. Now they fight for. Some of useless people when they go social media during that election time, they're going to destroy Showore. Now be like say now the thing, all of that and all of that come to loot. This man and nice. Showore, go send this man to Nigeria to rescue Nigeria. My people, if you don't know, I they tell you the truth. No mind what people are saying in social media. They don't have job. They are jobless. Then they find who they want collect their money. Because many of them they join this AAC because they think if they join, they can even use that one to exploit people money. They feel when they discover that no money come out there, they come out and criticize this man. That looking as if this guy is never a bad man. This guy, even the democracy we are enjoying today, this guy fought for this democracy. He fought for it. If you don't know, my brothers and sisters, let's stand up and fight this fight. Me, I don't fear any banger. No banger on planet Earth. I give you 5 minutes to kill me. If you don't kill me for 5 minutes, I want to kill you. That is me. Let's fight this battle together. Enough is enough. Because Buhari don't turn Nigeria to... In fact, there is a guy I don't like to show his... I know. I cannot just come on social media. I know the big creation of social media. I cannot post I cannot just come out. We only just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Let me bring his name out. And he was defending Buhari. Okay. He was defending Buhari. Okay. This guy, I don't even think this guy is in Nigeria. They should take this guy back to his country. Maybe Arab or is from Morocco or Niger. Morocco or Libya. He's not in Nigeria. They call the guy is Ajuri Lale, the senior special assistant on public affairs to President Muhammad Buhari. That guy is not in Nigeria. They should take him back to where he belongs. He's a Fulani herdsman. It's not in Nigeria. They are not Nigeria. Because he was still defending Buhari for all this nonsense thing that Buhari is doing in Nigeria. He's still defending Buhari. Buhari must go prison because Buhari don't commit now. Treason felony, Buhari must go prison. Whether I like it or not, Buhari must go prison. He must go prison. Buhari must go prison. My brothers and sisters, let's stand up and fight for this right now. Let's stand up. We don't wait for these people again. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Anywhere, I'm still repeating, anywhere you see Nigeria, especially the APC, their APC, turn them to cripple. Turn them to cripple. They go, they use their tool, let they crawl for ground. Nothing they happen. Now only prison go end down. Nothing they happen. They go treat you all this Oyinbo. If you don't, let me tell you, then now we then they look because we too dull. We too weak to these people. Now they say they don't know what they happen. They know. Even look at what happened in Germany that time. Ekweremadu. When they say Nigeria people, they must bring them to justice. They tell this their country don't fool. Asalo, Nigeria, anywhere you go, their country, then they vex. Then they wait for Nigeria to take action. If you see that we got to beat them, police go past you, they're not going to touch you safe. They're going to beat them where? No fear. Anywhere, the secret that they tell you so, any country you are, any part of the country you are in the world, go to Nigeria, go to nearby, any your local government, go there, carry 2 to 3 people. Don't fear. Dump your document. Even that one will even make you mature in the country safe. Now, also association now will be. We fight for injustice. We fight for this one. We fight for this one. We fight for this one. Register it for you. Anytime politician come, you break their leg. They not get where they carry you go. No police go judge them. No judge. They not get where they carry you go. Do this thing. The secret I'm just revealed to every Nigeria living in diaspora all over the world. I'm just revealing the secret to you guys. Do it. You will see. If you are living in France here, contact me. This is my Facebook. Contact me. Let's meet. We do it together. Any bastard when you say na APC B or na this one be come out. He come out. He go dey mortuary. He go dey mortuary. Inside cooler for inside mortuary. Then me, I go dey prison. Now wetin I go do now they talk so. Not be all this one what they do so. I don't invest on some people. But now between ourselves, now we get mine. Where we go use them, we know the user. Now supposed to understand what they do. Nigeria people they here waiting we do for Nigeria. We will carry on Europe, yes, still on the practice, but we know they practice in the right way. Not be say a day against practicing whatsoever, but we know they do it in the right way. We know they do it in the right way. That is why if I see some of now, they're the verse. I know they pray one day, make any one of now come pass near me. Say now this one be here, now this one, or now this one belong to, now this one belong to. Now this one will belong to, and this one will belong to. Now that day I will know say, khaki no be like that. Now that day I will know because I know they do the right thing. The level one I get, the might one I so na get. Now go take and take the oppressed na another fellow person when he come hustle for the country. Don't join the Mediterranean Sea come hustle now go they do to each other. Now go say na get level. Now they do this one, they do this one, they do this one, they do this one. I give you 5 minutes. If you not keep me for 5 minutes, you are gone. 5 minutes, if it not happen, you are gone. Because person will not to the talk, not be fool. Person will not the talk. You see some people now they just they go for road. You don't even know who is who, safe. I will just they look some of people that will just they laugh at them because you don't know who is who. You know? My brothers and sisters, anywhere you dey, people living in diaspora, any country you dey, please stand up. Let's fight this battle together. Please, I'm begging you people, any country, ban all these politicians. They will never, anywhere you see them. This is only way we can overcome these people. This is only way. This is only way we can overcome these people. I'm also using this opportunity to beg Brafa people. Anytime I live in France here, anytime you have Brafa meeting or you want to do anything, protest concern Brafa, please let me know. I am a Brafa man. If you are an Igbo man, you are not supporting Brafa, you get problem. You get mental problem. Go and cure your problem. Go to Katri hospital to go and cure your problem because you get mental problem. Brafa, Igbo people, Igbo, Brafa, Igbo people, Igbo are the root of Nigeria. Take it or you leave it. Igbo are the root. If Igbo come up for Nigeria, they go know say Nigeria go fall. They go even sick more than even 250. I don't know how we call it. 1 million will go to 1 million if Igbo leave Nigeria. Because they are the root of Nigeria. Igbo are the root of Nigeria. I can proudly say it now. All the old Nigeria na Igbo wise pass. Because we people, we be like, say we don't know some of us, not all, because some people see this, that when see their brain still correct. Be like, say we don't know what they do for life again. But all these are Fulani S-men. Buhari not be Nigeria. Buhari not be Nigeria. Now Fulani Nigeria. Then they exploit the people come they destroy Nigeria. Mieti Allah, they will come out, give Nigeria ultimate. Say we give ultimate 1 week, 2 weeks. If this not happen, DSS have never ever one day arrest any one of them. They never ever want to drag any one of them to court. Because Showore say we need better Nigeria. Then they change them up and down. Even look at this useless guy. What did he, even when he really happened, say, look, that useless guy, what did they even call us, Mr. Jollof? Anywhere I see you for Europe, this sound warning to you. Come and call the talk stupid thing. Now you want to come and come join AC, say you want for seeing. I don't vet for you since. I don't want to come on social media content. I don't praise your leg. I go. In fact, for you who come out to the against what to say to that stupid talk. For even you to say that stupid talk. For you come out to say stupid talk. People even feel say you they come at the man Buhari, this and they feel say no, they say that more you become join AAC. Useless man, not even know what her name safe. When they even follow to, when they drag say na be second AAC, na when they follow show whether they drag AAC. And don't even know the when people when other people are set for their right, you can't drag AAC. You don't know your left and right. As I they do if they born you well, say you they leave France here. Now France they leave France here. Block me for road. Say, bros, why you they talk this thing? Now you will know say, man, they pass man. Man, they pass man. Block me now. You block me for road. Block me for road. Then that we know who is who. We will not know who is who. We are 200 million. Person will not get school cert. Even primary school cert. Primary school certificate. Now come they rule audio 200 million. The police go do zombie follow and Nigeria police. They go do zombie follow. Now no even sit and say, no, this is not supposed to be like this. Now they bring una say come down. Where the whole was supposed to respect Nigeria police. They bring una say come down because of waiting. If they don't drive you police, your life don't end. If you stand for the truth, say no. I'm on the much. I'm on the pill now. Not be even things not good, work not, they not be good for the country. Nothing. I'm on the pay police. Go come Western world. You will know the respect police have. Now go die for duty now. Nobody, even the president want to fight for. You know, go for one this policeman die for duty, make we at least take care of it like that. What? Nigeria police, even soldiers sef, una die for duty, nothing, nobody will take care of una family. Now they follow all these people, they live the brandly life. No life, there's no light for that country. For this, especially this moment now, this Buhari regime, no light. More than using a brain now. If now they see now they even they die, they do at least I know say it's war, but it not be so. Now we'll see at least use maturity. Use maturity. Not only do this aboking man. Fulani man, this Fulani man. Don't they use anyhow. I they talk 100% right. I they talk. I they talk. I know they talk for math. Or maybe because social media call they make man. No. If you call me, tell me stupid thing. If you call me for my tell me stupid thing, you will see what you will see what will happen to you. You know, say God, this God not the sleep. My brothers and sisters, let's do it together. If you are living in France, contact me. Let's join hands together to fight this battle. Let's join hands together to fight this battle, because enough is enough. Nigeria is to ban this. That is the only way. That is the only way. That is the only way. It's enough for this stupid, for this stupid all these politicians, I mean to say. For these politicians. They cannot even stand up for their right again. Because they don't want to die. Even some people when live Nigeria, people when die better pass them. Now life than they live for Nigeria. Is it not even better you die? Say you don't go to heaven, go to enjoy yourself. Now life. When they sleep for inside dustbin and life, that one they live so. Now only people when they enjoy the fear. Now even the same politicians, they don't even fear power because they enjoy it, they don't want to die. If you talk like you say, come Nigeria, come fight and Nigeria, come Nigeria, people when you even try to even rescue yourself, they go even see they insult you. Just imagine. See the way that they drag this man today for inside court. For inside court. Nigeria justice now the beating one I will collect. Nigeria the justice all the justice. The beating one I collect. Now pass politician owner. More can try now. Except me, I not use my eye to see you now. Now because now so Nigeria to Buhari. Now so Nigeria to Buhari. Buhari no win election. Now give us a win. Certificate you not get. Now say no mean again. That one not mean anything again. Inside court. I don't disgrace Nigeria to the extent the whole world. As I was coming today inside bus, Frenchman was asking me, what is going on in Nigeria? Is this something social media? I say, yes, that is what we are facing in Nigeria. You see any that leaves Nigeria come to this country to seek for asylum, if you grant that person document, because what is happening in Nigeria, anything they tell you people here is true. The man, anything he told the people is true. He say he's a journalist. I say you will help me for one thing. Any Nigeria come here to seek for asylum, any story he give is the truth, because you are a journalist now. You ask me, you see some certain thing that is going on in Nigeria. This is the reality of Nigeria. It's the reality of Nigeria. Use that people. If you are living here in Paris, in France, contact me, please. Let's do it together. Anywhere you live in the Western world, my brothers and sisters, please wake up. Wake up. Organize 2 to 3 people. Go and register the movement. Go and register the movement. Not all those one that they do on social media, they collect people money. Those one are fake. Go and register the movement. Let your country know. Be aware of that association. then you will not see. When you hold that approval, any politician come, you beat them. Police go come, they go, they laugh. They go even join you, beat them. Even you people now. Any country. Share this video. Share it. Let this video get to some pastor, some Nigeria pastor. When they are not the right prayer, they are not praying the right prayer. The situation still remain that way. Even the witch, on our see do on our body, they don't laugh on our head. They don't laugh on our head. So now not even feel come out to ourselves for inside the life when they don't laugh on our head. Anything happen on witch. The one wanna kill, road not good. But pothole, motor get at it, then they go say on our head, they go put her on our head. Now go bear her. Person go school finish. Person will not go primary school. Then go put her for where you supposed to work. You when you graduate. Why it be so? Then go put her. Then you go meet pastor. Then go say na your mama or your stepmother na hold your result. They go put her for her head. And the pastors no want do anything. Even the witch, Mona still get up now. Mona still do something. And Mona still show na power. If not only be and sent to Aso Rock, may go drive Buhari. Even all those people, even the fake pastor when they there, all those ones, may they drive all of the commodity. At least we serve. At least we go even still respect you now. I be say the pastors, some of the pastors, not all, some of the pastors, they don't even talk to politicians. They don't show themselves to devil. They don't pour the whole life for this world. They don't put her for her head. They don't go put her for her own. Now don't they bear her. Now don't they take on the raw body. Eh? These people, white people, they here, the great one. They at least they make themselves okay. Mona see try to even make yourself okay. Mona create history that will say if you do, you will come and say na maybe wishing na me do. When you see say the old word, you will enter the Guinness Book of World Record. Mona still do something. They do put life on her head too much. I know say yes. Una still some of una not all. Some of una still they do waiting on you know good. But this one now what they happen now. Problem when not being which be problem when we get for Nigeria. Now politician and be the which when would they pray say make they die. Now politician not be the be go me pastor. They go say pray when die. They not go even which when they see when you go me don't die. The problem of your life is the Nigeria government is the problem of your life. The bad leader, they are the problem of your life. You decide darkness life not the now which you cut and now which say may they not do life for Nigeria. Now which say may they not tie road. When you go enter motor go get accident, people go die now which say may they not tie the roadway. You learn work, no job. You learn work, finish. You learn work. You work today, tomorrow you dey time. You use the money when you work today to buy fuel. You no prosper. You no go up. You no go from. You no go by. You meet pastor. They will say na politician. They will say na witch. Your papa. Now make you not prosper. No. Now witch say make them. We don't dead there, they pray wrong prayer. It just be like every street for Nigeria thought to church. But situation, even in those days when there was don't even, if you even can't church, you can even feel. Things are not like this. Things were okay. Not to talk of every left and right now. Churches. We cannot even pray the right prayer. We're scared. We're scared. Now so Jesus Christ scared. Now he died for every one of us. If you like, you share the video. If you don't like, now your cup of tea. Now you sabi. But I want to reach where President Muhammad Buhari did. Whether Buhari like it or not. Sure. must be released, whether you like it or not. Me, if Buhari conference here, now go hear news. The whole world, it's better you die as a hero than you die as a fearless person. Buhari, you can see what Italian person do to Berlusconi when tear head, bro, come out. Now person, they not do anything. They carry a go, they say no where they leave him because they know what they know say yes, now right he fight for. They not do anything. Person go talk. You talk, you not talk. The Nigerian police, they'll just come out. They shoot people anyhow, they shoot gun. They do misbehave. Look at Kogi election that day, Kogi state. They bomb person alive. Then Buhari, they stress down, they congratulate Yaya Bello. Even INEC still go on and cause such a result. Say, na APC win. But Nigeria people, they clamor, they are clamoring for APC, clamoring for APC. Clamoring for APC. Let me tell you something. The problem you guys have, even, let me tell you something, if you don't have money is not everything. Try to travel out of Nigeria, even in Benin Republic or Ghana or Togo, any nearby Nigeria, go. Just find when we can go back to, so you have experience of life. I'm telling the truth. Those people you are mocking, our guests, you are saying they go to the Euro, they do this one, they do a shower, did this one. You that even graduate to university in Nigeria, all those people, they better pass you. They have more experience. They wise pass you. Because you are there insulting people that are fighting for you. I don't get to that time now. Make anybody come insult me now for social media. The only thing I will save you, say, no be France here. That is only lucky. If you did France here, you insult me for social media. If you insult me, I see your comment, I check, say, na France here you did. 100, this is making 50 times now, they repeat it now. You go dey circular, then I go dey prison. Don't try it, because enough is enough. If you are in France here, if you want, contact me. Let's do it together. Politician, we go turn them to cripple here. Cripple. They go use now the waka. Please, Brafa people, one love. If you are an Igbo man, you not join Brafa, go and take treatment, go to psychiatry hospital because you are sick for your head. Sick, you get mental disorder, go and take treatment. I'm in Paris here. Brafa, anytime, meeting, anytime, protest, alert me, please. Ever ready. I am a Brafa man. Because now Brafa, now ain't get sense pass for Nigeria. If you like, you insult your... I don't talk. I know say some of other Nigerians, some of Hausa, some say they get brain. Some also Yoruba, few, they still get brain. But now Brafa know what they do now, because this way when Nigeria they go so na story, they fight corruption. Make Buhari even write the corruption self. Corruption. APC, they know they accuse them. They fight corruption. People around you, if you not approve, if you say they fight corruption, Amechi, you not send out to prison. Oshomole, you not send out to prison. Tinubu, you not send out to prison. They fight corruption. Make una wake up now. Nigeria, more wake up now. Which cause they cause us now? If na cause, we not go even reject her. We go reject the cause now. Which level? You can't be like say we don't know anything. We go school, you can't be like say we not go school again. But why you can't turn all of us so we be fool? We don't know anything, we don't know our left or right. You come out, some even come out for social media, come they see gamma they have for Nigeria again. So even go school, they drive Okada. That one, wait till that one come me. But only when they rule us, you even go, not even represent Nigeria, even to speak what even the whole world will hear safe. That is why they said
Trump. They go say Trump is number one president in the world because he wants you to go and repair your country. They against him. Nigeria, please, make we wake up. Nigeria. What is the problem? Somebody do this one, somebody do this one, somebody do this one. Some people say they give her money, make he can't do this one, they give her, even when they will hold her. So they will come out to social media, say whether they don't be plan work, nah. If I see you for social media, you come out, you touch your word again. The thunder when go strike you, it they do press up. Even your show word people self. All this thing one the cow because the cow when this a thunder go dey strike that day for Ogun State self. Na cow na go strike. To where those people they gather, where they gather for Aso Rock, na go strike them. They say hate speech. Conference here, come tell me say hate speech. And they you get this one, and the crease. Look, I even that one say when be they even call when be even say 9B. I don't know when be even Senate president. All of now go collect. Now don't push us now. Our mind don't open now like lion. Now go collect. All for the you now go collect. Please, if you organize yourself. This is all those one they talk for Nigeria. Can't hold. Then they use poverty till they drink and they can't say Baba, can't hold. The whole world, Nigeria don't disgrace, Buhari don't disgrace the whole world. No, judiciary in Nigeria now is gone. No respect. Because now go collect pass. Judiciary now go collect pass, especially that woman. Now gonna send Nigeria to Buhari. Buhari win election to start with. Mokuna ask on a question. Buhari win that election. Buhari get certificate. Now say that one no mean again. Cover her. You know win election and give her power. Say na win. I no go. I won't can say na won't can stand for na right. I want it possible. When the whole world don't mess with now. Oh, look at what the French man they tell me today concern Nigeria judiciary. It's like I was shaved. I cannot do inside bus. People with more than even 30 people were inside bus when this man was saying something, shouting. He asked me from Nigeria. I said yes. I was ashamed of myself to even say I am in Nigeria. I regret to even answer this man that I am in Nigeria. They turn out to a person when don't know left and right. Nigerians, we they go school. We educate. We have brain. We have learned people. Go anywhere in the world. Buhari turn out to Mungu. Say we don't even know how to write our name. And you people are clamoring for Buhari. There is nowhere in the world what is happening in Nigeria today. There is nowhere in the world that is happening. In fact, oppression, you cannot even stand up and express yourself. I couldn't remember if I don't want to share some video. When people were doing protests, I think if I'm not mistaken last year, when they were saying Macron, they were